this video, I would like to talk about how a flipper pocket knife is a benefit to a civilian and to public safety professionals. But before we get into the actual video, I would like to discuss where you could carry this pocket knife and where you shouldn't. So, in a federal facility, you should not carry this pocket knife because they check for weapons, and also at a hospital. On school grounds, it's illegal to carry a pocket knife pretty much in every single state, so it's not recommended to do it anyway. Now let's get into the actual video. So the first benefit is how fast it opens. And the different options to open it. So you could open it from like the blade, which it took me a bit of time because I'm recording with one hand. And then, so on the tactical version, it has a glass breaker and a seatbelt cover, which is useful. I personally use my knife for opening boxes, holding things open. I do carry it for self-defense at nighttime, and when I'm walking around when I am not in school. So, and I do carry it when I'm out visiting family, things like that, because I'm usually in a vehicle, so if something happens to me, I have a glass breaker and a seatbelt cover available to me. So that takes care of that basically. I do want to get a flip out the front knife eventually. I just don't have the money for it because sorry about that, guys. I was blocking the selfie camera. But I don't have the money for it right now. I will eventually get the money to get a flip out the front knife. And comment down below if I opened the knife the wrong way because I opened it upside down. And also comment down below if I should go over my med gear, because I recently switched out my layout for my med gear and the way I have things on me. So let me know if you guys want to see a video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.